this is Crazy Dude Paul here, coming to you with another product video from Telesin. Telesin kindly sent me products to review and I give you my honest opinion on them. I don't get paid for it, it's just my honest opinion. So this time they've sent me something called a multi-mount. Now, I wasn't quite sure what I'd use this for, to be fair, being that I shoot a lot of 360 video. But let's have a look, because it did occur to me and I did find that there was some quite useful uses for it. So, first thing we've got, as usual, is we've got a instruction leaflet. We have the multi-mount, nicely packaged as you can see. And we have our screw adapter. So this has a GoPro or RS1 mount style on it, and this is where your screw thread comes in. So let's just have a quick look at this. You could use this for a mobile phone as well, but you will need a mobile bracket to go on there. So let's just drop this on there. Screw that on. Okay, and there we go. Okay, now you'll find that this will go anywhere you want it to. Okay, I'm going to tighten it up a bit more because what we've got on here is we've got a ball head. So we can actually position the camera or the phone in any position we want and then tighten it up here. Okay. That's it. Just close that up. What we've also got is two legs, which are quite nicely clipped into there. There we go. Okay, so we've now got, oops, wrong one, the ability to set this up on a little tripod and we can start doing some vlogging. Now that works quite well. If I want some more height, you'll find that each of these joints has a little screw there. You can lift that up there and you can lift this up here. Okay, now this is where it becomes a problem, and I'm not sure whether it's just because this is probably a little bit lighter weight and more plasticky than normal. It's still well built, don't get me wrong, but you've got to be really careful with your balance. So literally, look, if I move that there, it's quite, you know, delicate that it might fall over. So I'd be dubious about using this outdoors because, you know, the wind could easily make this fall over. Indoors is fine. If I want to do some vlogging and I want that sort of angle, then I'll put that there and I can look into the camera. I can sort of change the height even more, bring that down, and I can actually film some product shots if I wanted to as well. But again, as I say, you've really got to be careful and get that angle right. So if I wanted to film that now, I could probably do so. Okay. And as I say, if you've got a mobile phone on it, then actually you're going to find that's probably not going to work. So it needs to be at a different angle. There's no reason why, of course, we can't turn this round other way. Okay, but then look at that, it's lifting off. So you've got to be very careful as to how you do it. That's fine, not a problem there. Okay, having said that, it's quite useful because not only can it be used as it is there, but it can also be used as a selfie stick. Okay, let's straighten that up as much as I can. Bring the camera around at that angle, and then I can film myself. If I've got a phone on there, it's no problem with a phone. That's actually quite comfortable, and I can get any sort of angle I want. Okay. Now, slightly different. If I was using a 360 Insta camera, I would need a different mount, so that could screw into there. But the whole idea of the 360 is that when you've got a stick, it's invisible, you can't see the stick. With this one, because it is not completely underneath the camera, you will see this. So not good for 360 shooting, but for normal vlogging with this sort of style, Insta or a GoPro, tighten up a bit more, or a mobile phone, it's great. So, what do I think of it? It's well engineered. It is well made, as Telesin products always are. I'd say this one is a little bit more plasticky than a lot of the other products that I've had from them. But if you want the functionality that I've just showed you for vlogging, it's great. Just be careful to make sure that you've got it at an angle where it's not going to tip over and fall over and break your camera. Okay. Not so bad with this one, but if I was using this one with the delicate lenses, then it would be an issue. Even if I was using it on single shooting, which I could, which isn't 360, would work with that, but I would be a little bit worried about the lenses. So yeah, for vlogging, mobile phones, this type of camera does the job. Thanks for watching. Please follow me if you like my videos, and also check me out on TikTok. It's Crazy Dude Paul with all my crazy nose mode video antics. Thanks for watching. Bye.